Hello and happy fall, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 302nd episode and the first episode of Ellen's Baking Series here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Can you believe we're in the fall? OMG, my favorite time of the year. I'm also very excited about this video. I am doing a collaboration with my good friend Kiwanna over at Kiwanna's Kitchen. We're gonna make fall desserts. And I have no idea what kind of dessert Kiwanna is making, but it's gonna be amazing. And for our collaboration and to kick off the fall baking series, I'm gonna make pumpkin cream cheese bars. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious, full of pumpkin goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And the crust is made of pumpkin cake with a delicious and flavorful cream cheese swirl topped with walnuts. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this recipe, and your kitchen will be smelling like the fall. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my fall recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your pureed pumpkin and your pumpkin spice sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin cream cheese bar magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the filling. In my bowl, I have 1 8-ounce carton of pumpkin spice flavored cream cheese spread. And we're going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 jumbo egg at room temperature, and 1/4 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream all this until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my pumpkin cream cheese filling. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the crust. Alright, my friends, in my bowl I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1½ teaspoons of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Give that a quick whisk, or you can sift it until it's nice and well incorporated. And we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 cup of pureed pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of canola oil, 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract. I found this at my local grocery store, but if you can't find it, you can always buy it online. And we're going to mix everything together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. Mix that in until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the batter. You can smell the pumpkin pie spice, the pumpkin spice extract, the pureed pumpkin. Oh, it's awesome. Alright, that was great. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in a 9x13-inch long baking pan that agrees with baking spray. Alright, my friends, I got the pumpkin batter into my pan and I spread it around. So now we're going to take our pumpkin cream cheese. I'm just going to put dollops right on top, like so. Alright, so using a butter knife, just gonna swirl it like this. Gonna swirl it around like so. And this is optional. I like to put some nuts on it for a little crunch. I'm adding some freshly chopped walnuts, or you can use pecans. Just gonna sprinkle them right on top. Alright my friends, now ready to put our pumpkin cream cheese bars into the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 375 degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 25 to 28 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my pumpkin cream cheese bars out of the oven. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool completely, and then I'll cut them into squares. Alright my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin cream cheese bars. Don't that look delicious and divine? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at those walnuts. Mmm. Oh, it's so moist. I love the crunch from the walnuts. This is a great way to start the fall. Please give this recipe a try. I can taste the pumpkin spice. Oh, these are scrumptious. They deserve another bite. Pumpkin cream cheese bar, delicious. Wow, Kiwanna, many thanks for joining me in this amazing collaboration. I had a wonderful time. And again, I'll post a link to her channel and to her fall recipe down below in the description box. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and have a wonderful fall season. Much love.